This is Mr. Martin. We're still in Chapter 2, Section 2.5. In this video, we're looking at angle relationships and notation. And we've looked at this before. Again, it's a very important concept, and you want to make sure you have a good grasp of it. So let's go ahead and get to the first example here. The directions say, label the following information in the diagram below. Our first piece of information here says that we want to label line CS parallel to line MNM. So here's line CS up at the top of the figure, and here's NM at the bottom. And all we need to do, since they're parallel, is put the little parallel marks. Now you could use one of these little triangles. I'm going to use two. So if we put two little triangles on each line, we know since they have the same tick mark, they have to be parallel. Alright, next we have line US is perpendicular to line UL. So here's line US. Remember, when we name a line, all we need to do is pick two letters on the line, any two letters in any order, and put the line symbol above it. So line US is the line that goes through U and it goes through S, and it continues forever in both directions. So C and H are also on that line, and we could have used those to name it as well. So we've got line US is perpendicular to line UL. So we're going to put in that right angle marker, and it really doesn't matter where we put that right angle marker. I just put it here because there wasn't anything else there, but we could have put it in any of these other three spots. And if we know that these are perpendicular, we do in fact know that all four of these angles here are going to be right angles. Alright, moving on, we've got angle NEA is congruent to angle OEH. So we've got NEA. Remember, this middle letter tells us the vertex. So I know my vertex is here at E. So I have NEA, so that's this angle here. So let's put a tick mark there. And then OEH. Again, E is the vertex, that's in the middle, is going to be congruent to this angle here. Then moving on to the last piece of information, we have L is the midpoint of segment GM. So here's segment GM, and L is the midpoint. If I want to indicate it's the midpoint, I'm going to put tick marks. I'm just going to put three little lines. You can put one or two, or little circles if you want, whatever you like, as long as they're the same. Alright, so we've labeled the diagram with the given information. If you have any questions about that, this problem, make sure you ask your teacher, and we'll see you next time.